Golden Grill. Dito to sa Nadsma. Ayan, Golden Grill. May chicken grills din sila. Ayan. Dito to sa Nadsma. Ang sarap. That one? Chicken? Chicken?
Huh?
Is that chicken?
Yeah, chicken.
How much does chicken roasted?
24.
That one?
24.
24 reals, one piece. Okay. Good price. Yeah, see. How he prefers. Prefer that one. He's preparing now. So, ikas na may OMG. Wow, shawarma. That's that's enough. Oh my gosh. Inamay. Mamatay din plamit ko. Here it is. Shawarma. Masarap, shawarma. First na first ako naglalakad ako eh. Masarap. Masarap. Watch my vlog. Kuya Jin TV. Kuya Jin TV. Fish it tonight. Okay. I will upload. See, very tasty your shawarma, brother.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.